welcome back to another video. So I was going to include this in another video that I'm going to do. We did the E46, some stuff with that last night, but I'm going to make that separate video because I have a couple other things to do with the E46 that's not worth making a video just about those things. So I'm going to include the exhaust that we did on that last night as part of that video. So I'm going to make a separate one with this, but today's video is going to be how to make your BMW sound spicy for $20 or $30, or it's 30 Australian. I'm going to put it as 20 because US, you know, and better title, 20 bucks to do this. But anyway, still even 30 bucks. Gonna make it sound spicy. I should have got some before clips, but I've already started unbolting stuff, and then I had this brilliant idea. So here we are, BMW 435i, and we are going to cut the middle resonator out and put this bit of straight pipe in there. Alright, so we can't find any Torx bits to undo that, so the new plan is cut it before the resonator, drag it out that side, weld the new piece onto it, and then we're going to put it back in and dummy it up so we can see where they're going to go, tack it up, and then weld the back side while it's underneath the car. Alright, so as you would have just seen me struggling to hold that up and bolt at the same time, but we just bolted it to the dump pipe. Now we've just got to cut the resonator off the other pipe. We're going to put that on so then we can line them up where they have to go and just tack it up. Cam's just tacking it up now. We might even try and weld the whole bottom if you can, and then we'll undo that back bolt so we can do the top side of it. Alright, so got the front section on. Whoever invented V-bands, stop trying to say they're good, they fucking suck. That just took me probably 10 minutes, maybe more, just to get that front thing on, the front V-band on, because it didn't want to line up. Cam's just doing up the back bolts, because I think I showed it earlier, it only has those bolts and the V-band at the front, and then one hanger in the middle, and that's all that holds it. I guess that means he's done. And then we got to drop it down and we'll see if it did make a difference. Alright, so now it's a bit warmer. I'll give it a second try. Yeah, right. I'm going to end the video here. I'll do a couple of videos of driving it, even if it's me in the car or it's him driving the Scirocco. That thing pops and bangs a lot, so he can probably get some videos while he's driving that as well. But yeah, hopefully he's enjoyed. That's how you do a $20 exhaust on your BMW, make it sound sick. So hope he's enjoyed. See you in the next video. Alright, quick change of plans. Cam's come with us, so videos will be from in here.